So guys, for the first method, you're going to head it with search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. And then once you're on this, you're going to find Windows Audio. You're going to double click on it. Make sure you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running. And then click on OK. Do the same thing for the Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Automatic and running. And then click on OK. Now you want to restart Windows Audio. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you're going to click on the speaker icon. And now you're going to click on select a sound output. Make sure that you have your correct output device selected. It's most likely going to be your speakers. Now you want to go back. Make sure that this is not muted. You want to turn this up and you want to unmute this. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head it with search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand sound, video, and game controllers. Now you want to find high definition audio device. Right click on it. Then you want to uninstall it. And then click on uninstall. And then once you've uninstalled that, make sure that you have your computer name selected. You want to select this right here. Now you want to click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. And it's now going to install it again. Now you want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. And you also want to right click on high definition audio device. You can try to disable it. Click on yes. Then you want to enable it again. Right click on it and click on enable. See if that works for you. And then once you've done that, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.